Hey everybody, it's Monty, and we're on week 34, May 24th to the 28th, okay? And in this week, let's talk about Algebra 2, exponents, and logarithms. About half of you are in those, so we're going to make two different videos, a regular version and an advanced version. In this regular version, we want you to work on assignments from exponents and assignments from logarithms, okay? All right, remember, you can always go to the Algebra 2 SPV team in order to find the video posts, and there's also a stream channel for the old post. A lot of you are just going to the internet, digital tools, Clever, Blackboard, find your Algebra 2 team. Let's go ahead and just kind of search through here, Algebra 2 with Monty. And in the announcements, I post the cheat sheets and the video each and every week. Okay? So you can always go back and find those. Now this week, you're going to find the exponent logarithm cheat sheet plus another cheat sheet for the kids that are just moving right along and they're getting into periodic functions. Okay? All right, so let's get started on Mathxl. Okay. Homework and tests. All right, all of you are through the square root function and transformations of square roots, and some of you are in exponents, some of you are in logarithms, and then, like I said, I'll make another video for these advanced ones down here for properties and base and the periodic functions. Okay, for this video, I think last time we did, let's see here. Let's do one of these reviews, and we'll do a quiz one here, and we did a review, and then we'll do an advanced one. Let's do a little bit longer one this time, okay? All right, so let's try a review problem. Okay, Algebra 2 kiddos, dun dun dun. Oh, I can't see it. All right, so let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so we need a calculator, okay, and we need the square root of x plus 5. So if you've never done it before, we'll go down here to our graphing calculator, and when you're here, you're going to need the keyboard shortcuts, and we scroll down to square root, SQRT. Cool. Why is my head always in the way? SQRT. SQRT. Boom. X, toggle outside, plus 5. It shifted it up. So, no. There it is. Boom. Okay? Alright, so these were square root functions. Let's go to a little bit, let's go up a little bit. Let's go to question 7, see what it looks like. Now, write the expression in square root form. What does that mean? Okay, you can always view an example. You can, and this one they actually have a video. Okay, so the square root, okay, radical is a fractional exponent. So we've got this 7 here. We're just going to put the 7 on the outside, the 7th root of t. Okay, if there's a 3, the 3 goes on the outside, 7th root of t. Boom. So we're going to go to this icon right here, put a 7 here, put the letter T in here, good to go. All right. Okay, same idea here. We're going to go back. We'll go the 7 on the outside. Okay, and on the inside, X to the 2 power. You can go Shift 6, or you can click down here for an exponent. Don't forget that too. Okay? All right, so hopefully that was helpful. Let's go try a different review. All right, so we're down here. We did this review for these radicals. We did exponents. Let's do the quiz review. Okay, exponent functions you are not allowed. Oh, I've got to increase that, don't I? Okay, so exponent models. Okay, let's just try an exponent. Okay, without graphing, determine whether it's a growth or decay. Cool. I need to start our smartboard, our whiteboard, so that we can do these problems. Okay, 0.63, less than 1. Less than 1 is decay. So like half-life, right? 0.5. All right, so this is a decay. Let's do another one we haven't seen before. Okay, yes. Oh, sorry. The Y-intercept. Well, the Y-intercept is when x is 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, and again, you have the help button if you need it. Okay? All right, we could grab a calculator and just type this in. So I'm just going to grab a calculator here, clear button, y equals clear 7, caret key, variable x. Just go to the table, second table, toggle up, toggle up. Now if you type this in, it's not going to give you the right answer, right? If we type in a decimal point right there, okay, we need to know that a negative exponent okay, let's put you here. Let's put me here. Okay. All right, negative exponent. So 7 to the x. Well, 7 to the negative 2 means 1 over 7 to the 2. It's going to want 7 squared is 49. So that's the first one. 7 to the negative 1. You got to bring the exponent down to make him positive. So 1 over 7. Okay, anything to the 0 power is 1, right? Anything to the 0 power, try it. 7, caret key, 0 power, 1. All right, so 1/49, 1/7, 1, 7 to the first power is 7. 7 to the 2 power is 49, right? Good. Okay. So now, let's go to, so we did the quiz, we did the review. I had already done that twice, so I couldn't do it again. Okay, so let's try this review right here. Okay? And in this review, we're up to question 5. Okay. All right. 4. 4 to the x. It's multiplying by 4 every time. That's a growth function. Growth. Okay? Alright. And the y-intercept. Anything to the 0 power. 4 to the 0, 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Alright. Let's go get a harder one here. Okay, let's go down here. See what we get. Okay? Logarithmic form. Okay, now use your cheat sheet, okay? And on our cheat sheet, remember that is right here. Boom. And we're translating from English to Spanish, Spanish to English. We're going from the form that you and I grew up with to the form they want. So we use this form, log base b, whatever we're talking about, of a, the answer, is equal to the exponent. Okay, so log, L-O-G, subscript, got to go down here, the 36, log, log base 6 of 36 is equal to the exponent 2. All we're doing is translating. There's no actual math there, just a translation, okay? This one, the 3 log base 3, evaluate the expression. Oh, grab yourself a fancy calculator, hit your math button, toggle, log base. Put a 3 here, put a 27 here. Now, before I hit the enter button, log base 3 of 27 equals something. This something is the exponent. The something there is the exponent. In other words, 3 to what exponent is 27? How many 3's does it take to make 27? Times 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So the answer here is 3. Let's try it. Enter. 3. Cool. All right. Now I want to save. Now let's move up a little bit. I want you guys to push yourselves a little bit. So we did these: solve, estimate, properties of logarithms, change of base, taking a logarithm of both sides of an equation. Okay, we want to be able to solve, right? That's what we do in math. We solve, okay? Both sides of the equation. All right, so solve the equation. What power? This is the one we just did. What power does the exponent need to be? 3 to what exponent gives me 27? Well, the answer is 3. Okay, now, if you had to, you could take the log of both sides. Let's get rid of that. Okay. 3 to the x equals 27. A logarithm is a way to solve for the exponent. So, just how you could multiply both sides, you could divide both sides, you can take the logarithm of both sides. When we take the logarithm of both sides, the exponent flies out. That's why we have a logarithm. Log 3 equals 27. Excuse me, don't do that. Equals log of 27. This is the rule you have to memorize. And you can see our cheat sheet here to help you with that. Okay, the cheat sheet here will help you with that. Otherwise, just come visit me and we'll do it. Where are we at? Okay, now when we take the log of 3 is just a number. Okay, just go to your calculator. Just go log 3. Just a number, no big deal. How do you get rid of a multiplication? Divide. Log 3. Log 3. So log 27 is our answer. The log of 27 divided by the log of 3. Okay? Grab a calculator and with the log 27 close parenthesis divide by log 3 close parenthesis, we get an answer of 3. Okay? Well, we knew that. 3 to the third power, right? Now I'm kind of curious here. If I grab a regular calculator, log 27 log divide by 3 log. Cool. Okay. Alright, so that works. Alright, so let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. We got our answer. Solve. Next question. Okay? And let's take a higher power one here in case you haven't seen it. Solve the equation. If you had to, there's a video. There's a view of the example. Take the log of both sides. When you take the log of both sides, the power flies out. Whoosh. Okay? And when the log, then you just divide. Yeah, cool. Alright, so let's try this. 4 to the x. 4 to the x is 7. Okay, so 4 to the x equals 7. Take the log of both sides. X log 4 equals log 7. Divide by the log of 4. Divide by the log of 4. Now it's just a calculator activity. X equals log 7 divided by log 4. Log 7 close divide by log 4 close. Second insert divide. There we go. 1403. 4 decimal places. 4037. 4037. I'm going to put that one in because we're going to round up. 1.4037. Cool. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. This is a 15-minute video. I will do an advanced video because some of you have moved beyond some of those, and I want to include a couple of these to see how we do. All right, have a great week. It's the last week of May. Seniors, this is the last actual formal assignment week for you. Non-seniors, we go to school till what, June 21st, so we got 3 more weeks after this one, so 4 more weeks. All right, have a great week. Algebra 2, exponents and logarithms. See ya.